Joel, we're going to have to check it out. They're going to use him as like a bomb squad. They were starting. Look at him now, mate. Yeah.
Good luck, my man.
I don't like having a fish. I don't like having a fish. He's strong. He can use it because, do you know why he's so strong in this? Do you know why he's so strong in this? Because he's carrying your hand around a bit. What?
You're okay, but yeah, I'm bad.
That's what racist is. You know when you play, don't think about your own hand. That's the worst thing you do.
Joe's going to give away to the man.
Sam over. Ollie, back more. Ollie, deeper. Don't let it go. Come over. Ollie, come over so it's not kicked over your head. Mason, deeper. Mason, deeper.
I wouldn't get any holding the ball.
Smudge, what's your short one?
My mum said you wouldn't get it. You said I wouldn't get any. Oh, what? My mum's watching. Oh, it makes sense. My mum, you said I wouldn't get any.
Go, Sam. Go, Sam. On the floor, hold it. Stay out, spread, May, spread. Stay out, Jake. Josh, stay out. Josh, stay out. Drop your height, drop your height.
Come on, right!
Ollie, pull Mason. Ollie, pull Mason.
So, yeah, you're getting right.
Stay out, Joel. Stay out, Joel. Stay out, Joel. Stay out, Joel.
Sam, get wide!
Sam, get it, go in. Come on, Sam, you got to keep it. Sam, you got to work. Ah, come on, Sam. Unlucky, lads, unlucky. Boys, we were just in between on the kick-off. Smudge, go and rip that ball. Sam, you've got to go, yeah? Don't be waiting. All right, Smudge up short with Sam. Jake up, George up. Josh ready. Keep going, lads.
Will you cry? No.
Okay, George.
Don't cry.
George, short. Smudge ready. Smudge ready for over. Smudge over. Ready for that short kick off.
Who lost?
Smudge, go back.
If we lost by a
Go
lot,
back a couple of yards so you can come onto the ball, yeah?
Yeah, if we lost
What's that short kick off again? Stay there, George. What's the short kick off? That's okay, boys. Sam, go for it now, yeah? I know your legs are tired. Keep going, bud.
Same again, let's get under it, lads.
Stay ready, stay ready. Go and help him. Go and help the catcher. Time all, time all.
Oh no!
Boys, play on.
Is that lucky on your way?
Sam, tackle release.
Run out!
Stay in, base pop, stay in. Base pop. Good, go on, Sam, get in. Pop it, Sam. Off feet, sir. Let it come, let it come. Ollie, let it come. George, keep it. Boys, you've got to pop. That's it, come back this way, go, Josh, go.
There's no one to pass it.
Good Sam!
Holding on. Yes,
Yes, Liam!
Let's go. It's
our ball!
Let's go.
It's our ball!
Josh, you okay?
Is he not?
Josh, you gotta go, come on.
Josh, come on.
You okay? We need you. Josh, come off then. Joel, let's go.
Joel, quick!
Joel, let's go.
Go on, Leo! Come on, Joe! Yes, boys!
Right, Sam, get round. Go with the scrum.
Scrum, lads,
Scrum, boys. They're physical at the breakdown. We have to get in the ruck quicker. Come on. Mace, ready? Good boy. Sam, let's push this. Ollie, pressure on the 9.
Mace, keep your head up!
Pressure on the 9, buddy. George, man for man. Joel, wider. Ollie, follow round. Big push, Sam. Go, Sam. Push.
Push, hold it.
Go, John. Stay out, Joel. Back 10. Sam, back 10. Keep going, bud. Back 10. Back 10. George, back. Ollie, keep going. Wider your side. Okay, come on then.
Composure now, lads.
Josh, okay? Can you keep going?
Come on! times.
Mace, George, it's our ball, bud. Keeper.
Watch the blind.
Well done!
Jones, to help him out as he goes.
I did so much. Daniel, don't do that.
Stay, gents.
I should have got man of match.
He's gone, Jones.
Ollie bounce.
Oh,
Come on. Come on, Ollie. Nice, sir.
get the run!
Mace, this
Last
way,
man,
Mace.
Seb.
Mace, this way.
Down the last
Mace,
man.
bounce. Don't force it, come on.
Pass it!
This way, Sam.
Up.
Mace, this way, Sam.
Last man,
Give it to Sam. Give it to Sam. Give it to Sam. Give it to Sammy.
Go on, Leo.
Sam there! Good, Sam.
Up, Clem. Up.
It's like Bechgyn, remember?
Come on, Jonesy. Up. Stay with him, Seb. Your man, gents.
Oh, that's a knock. That's a yellow card. Where? Yellow card. No, why? Please.
Come back. Son, come back. Pop it up.
No, he wasn't. He was the defender, went to the tackle and slapped it down.
No, Ollie. No. Oh, yeah.
He went to pass it. He was going to pass it to the winger and he slapped it. He's looking at the knock on.
No, Ollie. Ollie, we need you.
Yeah, go on. Ask him whose ball it is, mate. What is it? Scrap.
Cool, Joel. I was doing that. Right, it has to be 7 minutes. No, I was going to come on. Ollie, please. Yes, Ollie! Yes, Ollie! I would not go off for an injury in the semis. No, I'd only go off if I broke my leg.
Tight, yeah. Winded, maybe.
Come on, boys.
Man for man, boys. Man for man. Mace, George, have a
You're
look.
terrified, right?
Ollie, watch your blind.
Yes, what a
Good, Sam. Good,
yeah! Oh, no. No, look on, man. Look on!
Out, Josh. Out, Josh. George. Ball, Ollie, ball. Stay out, Jake. Stay out. Sam, stay out. Sam, stay out. Stay out, Sam.
I can't believe what you are. No.
Sam's legs are gone, Sam, boys, take margins now. Tired legs.
The ref's a bit dodgy. Yeah, the ref's not. He's knocked it up, but it was a play on.
That was a knock on then. And there was another knock on there.
John knows me. I have to stand up. Main character man. One last play off it. I'm going to score the whole time.
Keep going, bud. Mace, come behind. Ollie, go in the middle.
Come on now. Let's go.
Keep it, Sam. Smudge, watch the short one again. Come back.
If we win, I'll buy you a KFC.
Keep going for me, bud. Keep going, Radyr. Keep going, lads.
If we win, I'm going to spend all my dad's money on McDonald's.
Time, Miz.
That's a crazy.
Mace, get
Sammy.
shift it, Mace. High tackle. High tackle. Oh my gosh, how much is he missing? High tackle, ref. Good counter, good counter! Good counter!
Yes, mate! I don't like it.
Move it away! No, he can't go in, it's a rack, ref! Oh my gosh. Stay out, Josh! Stay out! back, boys. Okay, ready you come. Ready you come.
Right, what is this?
Boys, stay calm now. Stay calm now. Stay
There's
calm.
nothing we can do.
Boys, you can't do anything about the rest.
How much money do you think we can?
Yeah, I was just going to say. How much? Yeah, how much? Bro would probably accept, like, a carrot, depending on the colour of his hair. So you are a carrot. So that cried to make the rest. Come here now, right? Yeah, that's how everyone. Boys, if we lose the
Stay ready, boys. You're gonna roll it, okay? Joel, stay ready for me. Stay ready.
Oh, by the way, there's two trashes in this line. Boys, we're only losing because of the dodgy ref.
Mace, hang it up in the sun if you can. Ollie, give me everything. Sam, give me everything you got. Harry up, George up, Josh up. Come on then, boys, up as a line. Come on, Kate.
Come on, boys! Everything you got now!
Stay out. Mace, you got to come up. Stay out, Josh. Stay out, Josh. Go on, Al. Go on, Al. Shut it down, Al. Shut him down. Sam, yours. Work, Sam. Work, Sam. Work, Sam.
Yeah, he's not
Stay with him, Sam.
Well done. Post, post.
Okay, Joel, let's go.
Well done,
Joel,
Caerleon.
on for Sam, okay?
Good shape.
Sam, his legs are gone.
Well done, Blake. Stay alive,
Sam,
good
good
lad.
boy. Have a breather, bud. Keep going, Radyr. Keep going, lads. Boys, keep going. You've been brilliant all day. Ollie, Mace, heads up. You keep going. George, you and Harry short over there. Josh in behind. Josh in behind. All in the middle. Mace, keep him behind. Just have to go over your head. Mace, come on. Mace, come on. Ollie's still there. Mace, you keep going to the end.
Come on, boys.
First next time ik in de
another ball?
the next
Is that
game
Liverpool?
20 past 5. I'm going to get my pin that of a novel one back together to the boys bowl semi-final. Ian, fish number 1.
Time off, ref, yeah?
I got John Bedwin. I got Kai Dye, fish number 2, San Kenneth, Ebrill team.
Behind the kicker, lads.
4-1.
Let's go. Get the ball, boys. Tap, leave it. Let's go. Tap and go. Get the ball. Harry, get the ball. Get the ball. It's our pen. Let's go. Caden, let's go. Caden, let's go. Play, Mace, play. Shift it, Mace, shift it. Go, Joe.
Come on, Joe.
Oh, no, boys. Joel, you've got to get in that scrum, mate. Get in that scrum. Joel, get in that scrum. I'll follow him round, bud. Follow the line. Mace, George, come up. Josh, come up.
Crouch. Bind. Set.
Up, big push. Ollie, follow him round. Stay with him, all. Stay out, George. Josh, stay out. Play on, down.
Lovely, down in the right. Oh, wow.
That's a very surprising.
Ollie, keep going to the end, mate. George, keep going to the end. No, stay on. Stay on. Ollie, keep going to the end. Ready, ready, all ready? Get wide, George. Wider, George.
Hands will do.
Wider, George.
Hands will do.
Get out, Josh.
Set, please, Sam. Right.
Well done, lads.
Okay,
Good hands.
boys who haven't been on. Jake, who hasn't been on? You. John, ready? Come on, let's go. Mate, come on, mate. Let's go.
Get Jonesy off.
Sir,
And not left. Then get Blake off. Get Blake off.
Give them the ball
Do
when
you want to go back on for Seb? Yeah, go back on for Seb. Seb off, you can. Seb.
Mate, such a good game in this week, Jake. You've gone. So disappointing. Well played, bud.
Well done, lads. Well done.
in the final, boys.
Josh off, let's go. Yep, let's go.
Well done, lads. Play superhero. Come on, Seb.
Watch the short one, Kate. Brewer, get up. Parry, get up. Get over, boys.
done.
Brewer's got to come. Oh my God, boys.
Boys, get out wide.
Let's go, Ollie. Let's go, Connor. Not 10, sir. Not 10. Not 10, ref.
Oh, boys.
Oh, he's bad. Really bad. What's the score, Rids? Are they? Bryntig strong.
Ball down, ball down.
They didn't call offside.
Oh, boys.
Let's go. Oh my God, Harry, move it away, mate. 17 in a row. Get ahead. High tackle! Ref!
How's he not called it?
Come on, gents.
Go, Ollie, go, bud. Get with him, boys. Go, Ollie, go. Ollie, away from contact. Get over, Roo. Oh, my God. Boys, you got to keep playing. Change for Ollie, boys. I think he's done. George, go back on for me, okay? Let's go. Oh, come off, bud. Good boy, Oz. Good boy, Ollie. Well done, mate.
Gents. Seb. Come on, mate. Come on.
Well done, Al.
Jack, go back, Shine.
Amazing, mate.
Say, gents, come on, mate. Come on. Jack in nine. Theo, get home, Jack.
Brilliant all day, mate. Keep coming up, lads. Ruer, come up.